Edcamp Myrtle. So what is Edcamp Myrtle? It's a great opportunity for you to learn, network, and share what you got going on with educational technology. We have it going on April 21st, 2018, and you can find it right at Early College High School with our map. Little things about it at Edcamp. If you've never been to one, you could check out our little page here about what is an Edcamp. And it is an unconference. It's not something that you would sign up to go to this session and listen to a presenter talk. It's more of a opportunity where you just sit together and share ideas, and I do this and I do that. And if you don't like a session, you get the law of 2 feet. You can just go up and go to another session. On the day of the event, we will have a session board filled out, so you can get to choose what technologies and sessions would interest you. All the organizers are your digital integration specialists across Horry County Schools. And if you'd like to get some more info or possibly be a vendor or help us out or share your networking credentials, well, we can fill it out in the Google Doc. Try to get in the mood with our Spotify playlist. We hope we'll see you there. You can access our event on Facebook. You can check out our recent tweets that are hashtag Edcamp Myrtle. Don't forget to register on our Eventbrite page. Check out some photos from last year. And see a layout for the day where we're going to be meeting up to celebrate afterwards, do some more networking. We hope to see you there. Get the word out with hashtag Edcamp Myrtle. See you then. Thanks. Bye.